Hey folks, this is a trading episode 5. Many people have DM me on my Instagram account frequently that can they make 3000 rupees in a day in an intraday trading. Guys, seriously, I can't answer this question, and I feel nobody can assure you that you can make that much in the career of trading. In my last videos, I have already told that trading or stock market is a very logical thing, but I'm also saying that it contains a lot of surprises and uncertainties every day, and there are the large number of concepts, there are the large number of things to understand the stock market. But you need to understand few things, you need to study few things deep, through which most of the people make money. But as a beginners, we waste a lot of money and time in studying the lot of concepts of stock market. But ultimately, after spending those many years and money, we come to a point that you don't need to go broad into it, you need to go deep into it. So the second thing comes, they have asked me with the reference to a trading course. Seriously, I can't compare any mentor. I will tell you कि एक घर में अगर दो भाई हैं और वो दोनों ट्रेडिंग करते हैं, so their trading setup, their trading psychology, their trading methods, their entry exits, everything will be different. Trading career of every single person is different and nobody can't copy each other. So this is for sure. So I can't compare any mentor. What I can suggest is, if you do any trading course, generally it helps you to accelerate your trading journey, but it doesn't mean that they will teach you and you will make money. You have to ultimately sit in the market and work on it, and make sure that whatever is the cost of the trading course, it's affordable. You are not arranging from somewhere and you are just in debt or something like that, because for trading you need a cool mind, calm mind, and you will never be cool and calm if you are already in debt. So that's not possible in my point of view. But if you think you have the potential, go for it. Now the third thing is, as a retail investor, the biggest problem is capital. So as an intraday trader, people come with the capital of 20,000, 50,000, 60,000, 80,000, and they put into it and they blow up their account. So it happens with most of the people. The traders have to blow up their account because uncontrollable mistakes happens, the mistakes which you can't control. So what you should do is that have a capital. From in my point of view, you should have a capital of at least 5 lakh rupees in your account, and learn with 5,000 rupees every day for at least next 6 months, or at least next 1 year if possible. Learn the stock market. Don't ever invest in the stock market to earn for first 6 months or for first 1 year, if possible for you. Then only you could become a full-time trader in stock market. Second thing, if you have 10,000 rupees, invest 100 rupees for learning. That is what I'm saying. Invest only 1% of your capital, as you are in your learning phase. The biggest mistake I also did was to put my whole capital into a single trade, and boom, this happens, and boom, blowing up the account. So don't do these mistakes. And we know, I also face this thing, that is the capital thing. But but you could use this funda. Use 1% of your capital for next 6 months to trade, to learn it wisely, and then apply your 20% of the capital, and then go on trading. For that period of time, you could do swing trading, where you could keep your money for a period of 1 month or 2 months in the stocks which are giving good returns. So I hope you get something from this video. Thank you. So from this week, I'm trying to plan some of the technical content on trading, because the previous and plus this video is overall about the psychology of traders. So I will provide some technical content, and I will make sure that you get something good for a week to practice in the market. So do like the video so that I get my assurance from your side that whatever I'm making is worthy, and whatever time I'm utilizing on this thing is giving benefit to somebody.